So, hi dear Virgos, how are you guys doing? So, this is a general love reading till 15th of Feb 2021, and I am Anjali Tarot. So, let's quickly tap into your partner and your energy and see what is happening with you guys, okay? So, your partner, right now, your partner's energy is the Six of Wands. They are feeling victorious, or maybe they got some kind of recognition, or they are feeling happy go lucky. They are maybe, celebrating something. So right now your partner is in the celebration mode, and they are going to celebrate some victory or recognition or reward or something like that. On the other hand, your energy is the Ace of Wands. There's new beautiful, passionate and energetic beginning from your side. Maybe you are, you are ready to start. You are ready to start this relationship all over again, or maybe there is something new coming in your life. There is some kind of new beginning, passionate and sexual, I can say, physically passionate energy is coming towards you right now. Or maybe you are feeling like to start all over again with lots of physical energy, lots of passion, lots of I can't say this is love kind of energy. This is physical attraction, this is physical stamina and vitality kind of energy. Right now you are ready to start that, Virgos, right? So how your partner sees you, the Knight of Swords. Again, they feel like you are the person who rush everything. You are the person who is very passionate, very energetic, and everything is good, but you rush into things. Okay, so they feel like you are kind of immature right now, not fully mature in your actions or whatever you do in your life. Okay, and how you see them, the Queen of Cups energy. So you think that your partner is kind of stable and emotionally balanced, and they know how to deal with things. You feel like your partner is everything correct, has everything correct in their life, and they are the, they are emotionally balanced, emotionally fulfilling, emotionally happy kind of person right now. So you right now you see your partner in this light. Okay, so what they feel about this relationship, this is the Eight of Wands energy. So what I can see is they want to have an open communication and honest communication, a communication that can change the, the way the relationship is going on with you guys right now, between you guys right now. So they want an open and honest communication. They feel like there should be an open and honest communication from both the parties for this particular relationship to work out. On the other hand, what you feel about this relationship, this is Ace of Swords. So you are feeling like, okay, whatever happened in the past, I want to cut the crap, and I just want a new beginning. I just want a new start in this particular relationship with this particular person. So right now you are feeling like starting a new phase, starting a new kind of connection, a new kind of, bonding with this particular person, which is on your mind or in your life right now. Okay, so what they want from this relationship is the Knight of Pentacles energy. They want to take it slow. So Virgo, you have to keep this in mind, that your partner wants to take things slow and steady. They are not into kind of rushing energy. They are not feeling like you should rush everything. They are taking it really slow, and they want to take it really very slow to work it out in the long term. Okay, on the other hand, what you want from this relationship, the Tower. So you are breaking past the things. You are feeling like I should break whatever happened in the past. I should have a new beginning. I should have a new start. You are rushing into everything. You are feeling passionate, energetic, mentally clear. Everything is fine, Virgo, but you should not rush into anything, because the Tower moment is there. It is kind of, the old is gone and the new is starting. So you have to kind of be patient. Okay, and the outcome from their side is the Justice. So what they are going to do till the 15th of Feb, they are going to put some justice in this relationship. They are going to do what is right for this relationship. Okay, they are not going to rush into anything, and they are not going to do anything stupid. They are just going to sit in their throne, and they are going to make things right or correct. They are going to do what is correct, what is right for you guys. Okay, for this particular relationship. Okay, and what is the outcome from your side, the Fool. So you are kind of on the journey of trusting them, you are kind of taking a leap of faith with them. You are feeling like, okay, whatever they are going to do or whatever the universe is giving me, this is fine. I am going to take the leap of faith. I am going to trust the universe, no matter the next step. What is the next step? You are not thinking about that, okay? Or maybe you will not be able to think about that. So you have to trust the universe, you have to trust yourself and be a little patient and move forward, okay? This is the outcome from your side, and the overall guidance from the universe is the Seven of Cups energy. So maybe you have lots of option, or maybe your partner is having lots of option, or maybe you are confused about something, or some 2-3 people, or lots of people, or lots of option, or it can also be some kind of conflicting energy, confusing energy. So you might be confused, you might be in a conflicting mental state. So you might be feeling, what should I do? Should I leave them? Should I talk to them, or should I not talk to them? And blah blah blah, lots of confusion is going on. So you have to come out of this confusing state. You have to stick to some decision, stick to one person, or stick to one option at one time, okay, Virgo. And yeah, it is not kind of that they don't love you, but they are kind of mature person, and they are taking things really slow, and they want things to work out in a natural way. They are not forcing anything, they are not rushing into anything. And the next the next advice, or you can say what universe wants to tell you, is the photograph. Looking at your photos, missing nostalgia, make new memories. So this is the guidance or advice from the universe. So they are looking at your photos, they are missing you, everything is good, but they are not rushing into anything. They are taking things really slow, and that is a very good thing. They are acting mature, they are taking they are not going to take risks just like that. They are taking their own time, they are taking it like one step at a time, okay? So yeah, this is for you guys, Virgo. This is till 15th of Feb, and I'll upload the next video from 15th to 28th in next week maybe. So thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste, and don't forget to subscribe and comment in the comment section below. God bless you.